MSI versus EXE, choosing the right installer. All in a few decades, we've gone from installing software via floppy disks to seamless cloud-based deployments. Behind this evolution is the way software installers package and distribute programs. If you've ever set up an application on a Windows machine, you've likely encountered both MSI and EXE files. In this video, we're going to cover the real difference between them and why it matters. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is an MSI installer? MSI, or Microsoft Software Installer files, are structured, database-like packages designed for Windows environments. They contain all the necessary components to install, update, and remove software in a consistent, automated way. This makes them ideal for enterprise IT setups, where system administrators need a standardized installation process across multiple machines. Since MSI files integrate with Windows installer technology, they allow for silent installations, which is perfect for large-scale deployments. Key benefits of MSI installers. MSI installers offer numerous advantages for IT administrators and organizations: standardized and consistent installations, support for silent and unattended installations, integrated with group policy for enterprise deployment, rollback functionality to restore previous states in case of failure, automatic repair and self-healing capabilities. What is an EXE installer? On the other hand, EXE, or executable installers, are self-contained programs that initiate software installations. Unlike MSI, they aren't bound to a strict format, giving developers more flexibility in how they handle setup processes. EXE files can contain custom scripts, user prompts, and even bundled software. However, this flexibility also makes them less predictable, as installation behavior varies between different EXE packages. Key benefits of EXE installers. Let's break down why EXE installers can be a great option. Greater flexibility for custom installation processes. Can include additional dependencies or third-party components. More control over UI/UX during the installation process. Suitable for one-time or standalone software installations. Comparisons on installation management. When it comes to installation management, MSI offers built-in support for both installing and uninstalling software, along with rollback capabilities that can revert changes if something goes wrong. EXE installers, however, depend on how they're built. Some include uninstallers, while others require manual removal. Security and compliance. Security is another key factor. MSI files integrate with Windows Installer's security features, ensuring digital signature verification and controlled deployment via group policy. EXE installers, while capable of being digitally signed, don't inherently offer the same level of security compliance, making it crucial to download them from trusted sources. Customization options. Customization is where MSI shines. IT admins can modify MSI-based installations using transform files, MST, allowing them to tweak settings without altering the original installer. EXE installers vary. Some allow customization, while others are rigid, depending on the software vendor's approach. Use cases for MSI versus EXE installers. The choice between MSI versus EXE installers largely depends on the specific use case and target audience. MSI installers are well-suited for enterprise deployments and system administrators who need a standardized approach to software installation, ensure consistency in software deployment across multiple machines, offer security features and customization options, making them ideal for large-scale deployments in organizations. On the other hand, EXE installers are more versatile and not dependent on the built-in Windows installer technology, ideal for independent software vendors developing applications for a broad user base, allow for greater customization in installation procedures, which can be beneficial for software with complex setup requirements. Deciding between MSI versus EXE installers. MSI and EXE file formats have their own merits for installing and uninstalling programs. Each has their own set of advantages and disadvantages, so it's best to evaluate your software's specific needs, target audience, and deployment scenarios. For enterprise deployments, MSI installers provide a standardized and secure approach to software installation. They offer ease of management, customization options, and compatibility with the Windows operating system. For independent software distribution, EXE installers offer versatility and reduced dependence on the Windows installer, making them suitable for software distribution to a wider audience. Understanding the key differences between MSI and EXE is helpful in choosing the most suitable format for your needs. Ninja One simplifies software deployment and keeps track of every device in real time so you don't have to. See it in action by clicking the link below.